Shopping.
Sarah and I are going shopping. Do you want to come along, Kevin?
Are you mad? I never go shopping with girls. I want to be home before dark.
Boys, let's go, Helen. Sarah, look at that red skirt. It's beautiful. Try it on. Is it any good? No, not really. It's too short. I don't think Philip will mind. Philip is not my type, and the skirt is not my size anyway. Can you give me that black one in a larger size? Here you are. It's perfect. Okay, I'll take it. Can I help you? I have this skirt, but I want something to go with it. What about this white blouse? White? I don't want to look like my mum. Oh, I see. What do you have in mind then? Something younger, like a top. What colour? Orange or pink or purple. Let me see what I have. Here, try these on. You look great in that pink one. How much is the skirt and the top? £50.20. Oh no, I don't have enough money on me. I'll lend you some money. You can pay me back tomorrow. Thanks a lot, Sarah. That's what friends are for.